mimi nataka niwapongeze gavana wa Wajir na Garissa na Mandera. Wametoa zaidi ya shilingi milioni 50 ya kulisha wananchi katika kaunti hizo. Na tunataka pia hapa na Tana River, gavana wa Mombasa, gavana wa Tana River, pesa muko nayo kwa bank, tumepea nyinyi pesa kutoka National Treasury, muachilie pesa wananchi wapate chakula, wapate madawa, wapate blanketi. Tumekubaliana? Tumekubaliana? Sisi katika serikali kuu tunaangalia Kenya yote. Kwa hivyo hatuwezi pata ya kutosha. Sisi tutajaribu ile kidogo tunamletea. Lakini mwenye kufanya kazi ya kuchunga raia ni gavana, kwa sababu wako na pesa. Na sisi katika National Treasury tumewachilia pesa kwa gavana zaidi ya shilingi bilioni 10 iko pale, na tunataka wananchi walishwe na wachungwe mambo yao.
I want to thank our development partners and humanitarian agencies for the support that you continue to give the people of this country in intervening at this very difficult time. I wanted to make a clarification because it's important that we do so. During our last consultation, we did agree on a coordination framework between the national government, the county governments, and our development partners. And we did agree that the county coordination teams that are co-chaired by the county commissioner and the governors will be the forum through which to channel help. We did appeal to our development partners to upscale their level of assistance, and I'm grateful that that continues to flow. We did commit as national government to set aside funds for this intervention. We did appeal to the county governments also to consider channeling funds for this intervention. However, there has been a misconception that some county governments have been waiting for the national government to give them money for this intervention. That is not the case. The national government will provide funds through the county coordination teams. The development partners and humanitarian agencies will do the same, and we expect the county governments to do the same. We are therefore a little bit shocked when we see governors complaining that they are yet to receive money for El Nino from the national government. Such